Welcome to my transparent watercolor paint-along, Fairport Harbor Light. This is part 1, the introduction. This paint-along consists of 4 videos. Part 1, the introduction and overview. Part 2, the skills exercise. Part 3, the narrated step-by-step tutorial. And Part 4, a demonstration at 3x speed. The development objectives for this paint-along are applying an even single-color wash, creating textures by scraping, and using a liner brush to suggest trees. As always, the reference material can be located on the video page of my website, rsurwitzart.com. The materials required for this paint-along are 2 sheets of 140-pound cold-pressed watercolor paper. They could be 8 by 10 inches or they could be a quarter sheet. And brushes, a variety of brushes. You don't need that many, but you need to have a liner brush or a rigger brush to do some linear brush work. And as far as paint, you need a sky blue color such as cerulean, burnt sienna, raw sienna, ultramarine blue, and a good red such as a quinacridone coral. I hope you enjoy this paint-along. And thanks for watching.